Hey there, everybody. I am King 5 meteorologist Leah Pezzetti. It is Sunday, January 18th. It's the end of the weekend, but my goodness, it has been a glorious weekend. Not for the Seahawks, then for the sunshine. Maybe a little bit of both. We have more of it on the way as we head into this week. An unseasonably dry week is ahead. So let's take a moment and unpack the forecast, get you ready for your week ahead. So we are taking a look from our Queen Anne camera over downtown Seattle on this Sunday evening. It is pretty mild out there. City is sparkling. You see those clear skies. A little bit cooler right now, 42 degrees in Seattle as of about 8 p.m. on Sunday evening. But my goodness, this was the view from Green Lake today. Some high-level clouds, but still blue sky. So many people were out there walking around, enjoying the glorious day. Hey, speaking of daylight, today, our sunset was at 4:50. We are just a few days away from 5 p.m. sunset, so that is something to look forward to. In about a week's time, we'll have 5 p.m. sunsets. Still, obviously, shorter days as far as daylight is concerned. We're at about 9 hours today, but today we hit that 9-hour threshold, so something to celebrate. And if you are out and about enjoying the sunshine, send us your weather photos. We want to see what you are seeing in your neck of the woods. We love those glorious shots of the area. You can always send your weather visuals to 206-448-4545. Please be sure to include who took it, where, and when, but we want to see your stunning Washington shots. Let's talk about what today brought. We did see a high of 50 degrees at SeaTac. Normal is 48 degrees, so really not that far off from normal for highs, but my goodness, look at those lows. That even freezing 32 degrees at SeaTac is much cooler than the normal of 38 degrees. And that was the big story this morning, is just how darn cold it was out there and foggy as well. This is a view from Bellingham as of Sunday evening. We've already seen some fog moving in here up in Whatcom County. 32 degrees in Bellingham already by just about 8 p.m. on Sunday night. So yes, cold and foggy weather will persist. And you know what? Dry weather. Friday is the first chance for showers, but at this point, it's not looking major. It looks like we will once again have a dry spell continue. Let's talk about what that means as far as rainfall is concerned. If you remember, the first couple days of 2026 were extremely wet. So that set us up for success a little bit as far as monthly rainfall totals are concerned. So typically, we'd have anywhere from a little more than 2.5 to 3 and some change, to 4 and some change. It really just depends on where you are. SeaTac is actually right on track with normal for rainfall for the year and month as well. Obviously, we're in the first month. Bellingham is still up close to an inch, but Olympia is more than an inch down. So we're going to see everybody trending in a drier direction as we continue with this dry spell. So dry weather, sunshine will continue for the next couple of days. We're going to keep our overnight temperatures cold as well, which we of course feel in the morning hours, the coldest temperature of the day. And then we have those light rain chances moving in on Friday. So for the rest of tonight, we're holding on to those low 40s. We'll cool into the 30s for the Seattle metro area after midnight, but as I showed you up in Bellingham, we are already there right now. This is what we woke up to on Sunday morning. Oh my goodness, it was cold out there. 27 degrees in Bellingham, Bremerton, and Puyallup. Colder, 25 in Shelton and Olympia. So yes, a cold start to our Sunday morning, and we are going to do it again Monday morning. Pretty much the same exact thing. Temperatures will be right at or just below freezing, and we have those foggy conditions as well. So it will be frosty and foggy as we move into our Monday morning hours. The heaviest fog, the most dense fog will be down to the south around South Sound. You can see this is 8 a.m. Down that I-5 corridor, Chehalis to Olympia and up to Tacoma. We're seeing those low visibility spots. But any agricultural area, anywhere with big fields, rivers, streams, obviously that moisture helps lend itself to fog formation. So we'll keep an eye on all of those areas as we look into our Monday morning. But it will once again be a glorious day. Honestly, Monday is kind of a rinse and repeat of Sunday. So fog and cold temperatures to start the day, but look at that afternoon. Clear skies, temperatures spending most of the day in the 40s, but we'll see highs right around 50 degrees. It depends on where you are. 40s with some low 50s expected for our Monday highs. So really, like I said, rinse and repeat. It's all thanks to this ridge of high pressure that is set up over western Washington, and it is keeping us dry now, and it's going to keep us dry for the next couple of days. I'm going to let this play out so you can see what happens into early next week. This gets us into Wednesday and Thursday. You see that ridge starts to weaken. We're going to send some cold air up into the Midwest from the north. But in the Pacific Northwest, all that is for us is just kind of letting that ridge weaken and flatten a little bit, but it's not going to do too much for us. So even with some rain chances heading our way by the weekend, I have Friday showing some rain, but models are trending on the drier side. Same thing for Saturday, maybe on Sunday. So all that to say, we could see rain next weekend, but at this point, we're still 5+ days out. And what I've seen with these last couple of days is as the models get a little bit closer to these events, they're tending to dry out a little bit. So we could have some shower chances by next weekend. I don't think it'll be as clear, crystal clear blue sky as what we're seeing right now, but will it be a significant rain event, heavy rain event? Likely not. One of the things that it will likely be is some snow for the mountains, which we absolutely need right now. It has been dry, and when we have gotten rain, a lot of it has been on the warmer side, so we're not adding to that snowpack in the way that we should. But the sunshine is pretty nice, isn't it? Your MLK Monday looks sunny, it looks beautiful. If anyone's heading out for any community events, do be ready for nice weather. Cold, you'll want to bring a jacket, but still blue sky in January, it's rare, and I want you to enjoy it while you can, because we will likely pay the consequences later on as we notice that our water supply isn't what it should be. But we will keep you updated on that. That was a check of your forecast to get you going for this week. Once again, I'm meteorologist Leah Pezzetti. Thanks for sticking with me, and be sure to stay with the King 5 Weather Team as we bring you the very latest.